Fabrics are categorized by their source mainly, and that is natural, synthetic, semi-synthetic, or by their construction. By construction, I mean those are the knitted ones, the non-woven, and the woven ones. Hello, my name is Fellow and this is Fellow's Haven. Here we just talk about all things sewing. If you're interested, please hit the subscribe button so that you can be part of the family. Today we are going to be talking about fabrics, and I have divided this into two sections where we're going to be talking about those fabrics from the source and those from construction. When we talk about fabrics that are from the source, we talk of the natural fabrics, we talk of the synthetic fabrics. I'm talking about the semi-synthetic fabrics, and I'm going to also break down types and examples of the natural fabrics, the synthetic ones, and the semi-synthetic fabrics. For natural fabrics, these are derived from plants and animals. For example, we have cotton, we have silk which is derived from silkworms, we have wool which is derived from sheep's fleece. We also have hemp, we have linen from flax seeds. Those are the examples of natural materials that are there. There are still more that are out there, but I've just narrowed down to a few to give you an idea of the natural fabrics. We also have synthetic fabrics. These are man-made from chemical processing and things like that. For example, we have polyester, we have nylon, we also have acrylic. Some of these they are versatile and they are also cheap, they compared to the natural fabrics. We also have semi-synthetic fabrics. These are man-made from natural resources, from natural materials like wood pulp. For example, we have rayon. That is an example for semi-synthetic fabrics. I hope you enjoyed this video and you have learned something new about fabrics. And if you like this video, please do press that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone. Until next time, take care of each other and take care of yourself.